Welcome to American Dream TV and our show, Selling Palm Springs, where we showcase the best lifestyle, culture, community, and real estate across the nation. I am Scott Palermo.
And I am James Sanak, and we are your co-hosts for Selling Palm Springs. Scott and I are long-term residents of the city of Palm Springs, California. Have you ever wondered how Palm Springs came to be the famous desert oasis it is today?
Here's a clue. It's all about the sacred healing waters. Our premiere show is going to take you on a fun adventure showcasing our Tony community of Palm Springs and showing you what makes our desert oasis so special. Let's get out of here. It's time to go visit the Sehe Spa. We can't keep the chairman waiting. Let's go.
Scott, good morning.
Good morning, Chairman.
Good morning, James. Good morning.
Good morning, Chairman. Pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too. Welcome to the Spa Sehe.
Thank you.
We're so glad to be here today and appreciate your time. We literally have watched it from when you tore the original spa down and have rebuilt it. And I'm really excited to learn more about it today. So I've been doing a little bit of research and have found that there's a long history attached to this. So can you perhaps talk to us a little bit about the history behind the Agua Caliente Band of Cahuilla Indians and this special water here?
Yes. So the hot mineral spring water, as I said, the heart and soul of the tribe. It has physical healing powers, has mental healing powers. And our ancestors have been soaking in these waters for hundreds of generations. And the process of the water going down into the mountain underneath the ground all the way up to the Earth's surface takes 12,000 years. So the last time that water has seen the surface of the Earth was over 12,000 years ago. That's the last ice age. Well over 135 years ago, the very first tourist attraction in the Palm Springs area is right where we're staying. And that was the very first spa bathhouse where we invited visitors from out of town to come soak in those hot mineral spring waters so they can experience something that our ancestors have been practicing for, as I said, hundreds of generations. Allow them to feel the physical healing powers, allow them to experience the mental healing powers. The healing powers of that water is real, and we want guests to come experience that for themselves.
That's actually one of the beautiful things I really think about the gifts that the tribe has brought to all of us here. Is really a reminder of what Palm Springs is. I think in this crazy world that we are in today, that we forget about connecting to source, culture, community, and all that. And I really think that your tribe has really done a great job of keeping the connectivity within our community. And I'm really excited just to see moving forward all the different avenues and things of expansion you guys bring to our community.
Well, thank you. And you pointed out a key phrase, connection. We are connected to the land.
Yes.
We were raised to be connected to the land. The land is very powerful. What is on the land? And we've always grown up to be taught that we are one with the land, and to treat it with respect. The plants, the animals, the water. So that connection with the land is something that's very rich in our history, and we want to hold on to that as tightly as possible.
Just what we've been waiting for. It's time for the mineral baths, James.
You ready to go for a tip in these waters that haven't seen the light of day for 12,000 years?
Yeah, I can't believe it. Since the last ice age, I can't wait to get in because it's not seen anything. So
I know.
Let's go.
So Scott, we've had this amazing spa day experience here at the Spa Sehe. But I have to be honest with you, I've been waiting all day for this experience in the famous salt cave. And this is designed to clear your energy, reset your body, and there's so many health benefits to being in this room with you.
No, I agree. You know, the salt cave, I've been waiting for this. I've never been in a salt cave. I've had a salt lamp and all that type of stuff, but you know, I can feel the energy in here and I'm beginning to feel relaxed and cleansed. It feels like a perfect cucumber slice moment, and I think I need to put some cucumber slices on just to enjoy this incredible experience.
I think we shall.
What a beautiful day. I'm so relaxed and chilled after my treatments. Now I'm sitting next to this beautiful resort-style pool with a waterfall with a backdrop of Mount San Jacinto. What could be more perfect?
This is exactly what the doctor ordered.
Thank you for tuning in to Selling Palm Springs. We will see you next time.
Cheers. Bye for now.